Hello automation and your lovers, welcome back to KD Sessions. Today we are going to explore how to effortlessly convert Excel files to PDF format using Automation Anywhere A360. This is a common task in many automation workflows, and Automation Anywhere provides powerful actions to make it a breeze. So first of all, we need to open the Excel file which we want to convert into the PDF file. We have already posted a video on how to convert a MS Word file to a PDF. So you can check out that video on our channel. So let's go to the control room. Okay, so first of all, we are going to use open action of MS Excel package. And here we are going to use this employees list file. We have used this file in our previous videos also. So this is the file which we are going to use. Okay, so after opening the file, we will use this action, convert Excel to PDF action of Excel advanced package. And here we will select the sheets to be converted. I want to convert the entire Excel file. So I have selected this one. And if you want to convert active sheet or a specific sheet to PDF, so you can select these options as per your requirements. And here we need to select the PDF file name. We need to give the PDF file name, only the name with the .pdf extension. So I want to generate the PDF with this name, my PDF file. And after that, we need to give the path of the folder where we want to generate this PDF. So I have given this path, and no need to add backslash at the end. Just we need to give the folder path. And after that, if a PDF with the same name already exists in this chosen location, then we will overwrite that existing file, and the session name will be the default because we have opened the Excel file with this default within this default session. And at the end, we will close the session. Let me run the bot. And here we will see a file, and here we will see the PDF file once bot will get complete. We can see this PDF file has created successfully in this folder.
That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for joining me. Remember to explore our Automation Anywhere A360 and Blue Prism playlists for more in-depth tutorials and tips. Check out our blog for informative articles on RPA and automation best practices. Don't forget to follow us on social media to stay updated on the latest trends and connect with other automation enthusiasts. Join our WhatsApp channel for job updates related to RPA tools and MNC companies. And if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to join our WhatsApp group and connect with experienced RPA professionals. See you in the